guys, it's Nicole, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my stickers. So I'll be making two different packs of stickers. The first one is a praise and worship kind of playlist sticker. The next one is Animal Crossing Pokemon card stickers, and I'm really excited for this. I'm no professional, but this is just how I do it. So the first step is to have an idea of what sticker you want to make or what theme you want for the sticker pack, and the next step is to gather your materials. So the sticker paper that I use is just this one that I got from my local stationery store. So it's for inkjet and laser, but make sure you choose the one that is correct for your printer, and make sure that the label size is the A4, just so you can cut it out individually. Next, I use my iPad, which has Procreate, which is the app that I'm going to use for drawing the stickers, and of course the Apple Pen. And of course you'll need a printer. So the next step is to draw on Procreate. I use the A4 canvas size, and definitely make use of layers. I think they're so helpful. So basically how I design the stickers is I figure out the general layout of how I want to print it out. So I draw grids for the page, and in each little grid I start designing, making use of the drag and drop tool for filling up certain squares. I also use the blend tool quite a bit, just because I think feathering out some of the colors makes it look a lot nicer. And for drawing straight lines, there's this neat trick on Procreate where you just dot on the screen and then you drag and then you hold it there for a bit, and the line is automatically made straight for you, which is really helpful. Also, for these glowy effects, I go to the brush library and I click on luminance, and I use light pen, and that makes a really nice glowy effect. Also, if you want the same kind of element on different stickers, you can definitely make use of the duplicate tool. So that's it for this praise and worship playlist. For the Animal Crossing Pokemon sticker pack, I did a similar method. So I drew the grids, and then I started to drag and drop and blend where needed and draw what was needed. This one was really inspired by the Pokemon deck of cards. I referred to this website, which is like an Animal Crossing fandom, which I thought was so cute. So hopefully the information is pretty accurate. Hopefully. That is that for how I designed this Animon sticker pack. I have two more, and I'll be showing you guys just a quick time lapse and brief explanation of how I did that.
So as I mentioned previously, I definitely started off with figuring out the general layout and making the outlines in each of these stickers, and then I made use of the drag and drop and I started drawing the character. And I used the website that I showed just now for reference, and I'll put the link of that website in the description bar below. So as I drew the character, I definitely made use of the blending tool as well. And then I added certain elements and designs, and then I started putting in the name and all the different moves and the birthday and favorite song, and all this information was taken from the same website.
So now that your art piece on Procreate is done, you can export the image to your MacBook. And from Mac, I use Word document to kind of crop the image or make multiple layers of that one line of images. Hopefully the demo would explain it better than I do. Basically, you want to prepare your document that you want to be printed on your sticker paper. So my general advice would be to fit as much as you can on that page so you maximize the sticker paper, and I think I was really satisfied with the size of the sticker. So definitely take all these things into account. Also, for the layout of the paper, make sure that your margin is narrow, just so you can make use of the white space a bit more. Once I'm satisfied with the Word document, I convert it to a PDF, and then I export that PDF into my phone, and I use the printer app to start printing my stickers, and then I start printing. As mentioned in the title, I don't have a Cricut? I don't have that machine, so I have to manually cut out each sticker. But I'd say that for this kind of uniform shape, like my stickers for this round in particular, they were very squarish, very rectangular. They all had a similar shape, so it was a lot easier to just follow the edge and cut. Another reason why I leave the black edge on each of my stickers is because it's a really good guide to see where I need to cut the sticker. If it's useful for you, you could definitely have that black edge, but it's definitely not necessary. It's entirely up to you. What I do is I trim the edges with a penknife, and then for each individual sticker I go in with scissors, just because I think it's a lot more intuitive and it gives me a lot more precision, in my opinion. So after you're done cutting out every sticker, you're actually done. But if you want to go the extra mile, or if you're actually selling these stickers, you can definitely put in some effort into designing the packaging as well. In the spirit of Pokemon, you know how those Pokemon decks have a really nice box packaging? I tried to replicate that in a more Animal Crossing-esque style. So this is how the packaging turned out. That is pretty much how I make my stickers. So I hope it was helpful to you. If anything, maybe you already knew how to make stickers, but hopefully this inspires you to make some or make more. So I guess that's all for this video. I pray that you stay safe, happy, and healthy wherever you are. Bye!